2 years in business and I'm nowhere close to 6 figures a month. Social media makes it look like almost everyone hits that 6 figures in their first year or two. But that's not how it works, at least not for me. And it's not that I haven't been working. I've been grinding every single day. But to be honest, I made a lot of mistakes the past 2 years when it comes to running a business. The thing is, it takes a lot longer than you think to actually get to the point where your business is set up correctly. And I think most people don't talk about that part, the part where 2 years in and still fixing and figuring out systems, workflows, and pricing. A study done by the University of the Western Cape shows that 70 to 80% of small businesses fail within 5 years. So I will say this, my biggest achievement is still being here. I haven't collapsed, I'm still going, still learning. And for me, this is my first business. I'm learning and adapting as I'm going. Right now, in my mid-20s, I think learning over earning is the move. The money will come, but the stuff I've learned over the past 2 years, that's the real foundation.